Hello, candidates. Very good news for you. You can check your court case detail. The Guwahati High Court principal seat at Guwahati, you can see here. And just you have to type your case type. Likewise, this you have to enter this button, and just you have to scroll down, and then you have to see what have to select, and then have your case number of for that vacancies you have to enter here, and here you can enter year. So just you have to write down captcha code here, and if you don't want this capture code, you can change it by this, and then simply you have to press go, and then your case status will be on the screen, and then you can check your case status. And now I'm telling you about your result. You are waiting for your result, right? So I'm telling you, firstly I'm going towards website, that is APDCL. Yeah, this. So we I am entering apdcl.org here, and within few seconds this website will open, and then you can check that what is new here. Please wait for few seconds more. Always my net is slow, so I am waiting that website will open, and you are about to see your result, but it's not opening. Okay, I'm telling you, actually I want to check that what is new in what's new section of your website apdcl.org. But anyway, anyhow, you can check in your phone, and then you can check in notice section if there is any notice regarding apdcl freshers result, or about shanks result, or office come field assistant fresher results, I mean, then you can check out. And I think I told you in last video also that okay, it has opened now. Now I'm checking in down. I'm scrolling down, so please wait because of it's taking few seconds more, and then it will completely open front of you. You can check. So I was talking that I made video yesterday evening also. Have you said share this video? I will provide you link in description box. And now let's see. Let's see. No. Very bad news. No any good news. So APDCL candidates, just wait for your case status. What will be hearing date, and then conclusion will be in front of you. But I told you already that Honorable High Court will tell you conclusion, interim decision of particular that case, and then after that your result will announce as soon as possible. I'm thinking that your result should be out before 31st of October. 31st of October, yeah, right. So if you visited in this channel first time, please subscribe this channel, and don't forget press bell icon. Thank you.